background is in video games, and now more recently I'm doing a lot of real-time work. Our limitations in video games were that we couldn't do offline rendering. It all had to be dynamic and live, and now it's lovely to see that coming into other industries. So I'm going to do a little live session for you here. We're actually mid-project with this XDO, so you might see some things are a little unfinished. Myself and the CMF designer, Anais, are still working on those, but I thought it'd be really nice to show you an actual proper project that we're in the middle of. So here we are in Unreal Engine 4. The Exion itself is about 4.5 million triangles, and there's probably about 40 materials on this asset at the moment. So this scene, as I'm controlling it here, you can see it's fully real time using ray traced reflections and GI. And if I get a little closer, say, to the wheel, you can really see the level of detail that's possible